Welcome to my channel. My name is Femi Akinwale. I'm a chartered accountant. I've worked in an insurance and finance company for more than 25 years. If today is the first day you are seeing my channel for the first time, what I want you to do for me is to like this video. When you like this video, subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification so that whenever we are giving out a valuable video like this, you'll be among the first person to watch. Today, we shall be looking at very important aspect of investment. We shall be looking at mutual fund investment, especially we shall be concentrating on Stanbic IBTC money market fund. Stanbic IBTC money market fund. We shall be looking at this particular, investment, how it's good for you, and at the same time, why you should be able to, as a beginner. So we shall be looking at Stanbic IBTC money market fund, how daily interest is being calculated step by step. How daily interest is being calculated step by step. But very few people understand how exactly is the daily interest is being calculated. At the same time, how does your money, grow in this particular space, and why it is better than the banking savings. So we shall be looking at this particular fund. So the first area we are going to look at, we shall be talking about what is about this fund. There are different kind of mutual funds, but why are we concentrating on the Stanbic IBTC mutual fund? Firstly, what is mutual fund? Mutual fund is a pool of funds given to a professional manager to manage for you, so that you can be earning a daily interest. There are different types of mutual fund. We have mutual fund, we have money market mutual fund, we have equity mutual fund, we have balance mutual fund, we have bond mutual fund, we have different kind of Stanbic IBTC mutual fund. I will put the description, I will put the link on the description of this video where you can be able to register appropriately and continue to invest, because Stanbic IBTC have proved themselves as one of the leaders in the mutual fund investment in Nigeria. So you can look at these particular scenarios, but when you talk of money market mutual fund, money market mutual fund is an investment, or is a pool of funds given to a professional manager to invest in short-term securities like treasury bills, like commercial papers, like bank placements, you know, like bank placements. These are short-term securities that can preserve your capital. Most of this investment that is, we can call it investment in the fixed income investment scenarios that they will only concentrate on it, because because it's of low risk and with high liquidity. You can come in and come out of this investment. It's just like a savings account, but the interest you are getting on this particular money market mutual fund is higher, far higher than keeping your money and be earning only 4 to 6% in a banking savings account. So these are the ways. So, but this particular scenario, we shall be looking at Stanbic IBTC uh, money market mutual funds. So, but before you go into this particular fund, you want to move to how do they calculate the interest on a daily basis for you to be able to be abreast of this particular space. First thing you need to understand is you have to make sure that you know the annual yield of that particular investment. When you know the annual yield of that particular investment, you can now decide on the rate of investment based on the investment you are going to do. But today's scenario, we shall be assuming that you want to invest 1 million naira in Stanbic IBTC mutual fund with an interest rate of 20% to make it easy for calculation. It's very, very easy. So what you are going to do, what they normally do is when they know the rate, they will divide the rate, which is 20%, by 365 days. Divided by 365 days, the number of days in a year. When you get that one, you can put it in a decimal manner in terms of 0.2 is the same thing as 20%. You divide it by 365 days. Then you get 0.0030 in places 548. That is 0.00548. So when you have determined this, that means 504. If you multiply 0.000548 by 1 million naira, which is an assumption of investment that you want to do, then you get 548 naira. 548 naira represents your daily interest. Represent your daily interest on that particular investment. The beauty of it is that we now move to a next stage where we compound your your daily interest on your investment. For example, if for a venture 500 for first day is 548 naira for the first day, So that means that when you want to move to the next day, you are not going to use 1 million naira now. You are going to use 1 million naira plus your previous day, which will now come to 1,548 naira. So you apply 0.00548 multiplied by 1,548 naira. This is the interest you earned previous day, and you get into another interest rate. So in a manner, daily interest rate, when you use this percentage of rate of yield and the annual investment of 1 million naira, then you realize that per day your interest element will be 548 naira. But for 30 days, by the time you do use 548 naira, you multiply it by 30 days, you get 16,440 naira. Just like you get 200,000 naira. So your investment from the beginning of the year will give you 1 million naira, 200,000 naira. And this value you can be seen on your NBV, that is your net asset value on your investment. So it's a very good investment, which make is good for beginner, for them to be able to keep and generate and let your money work for you, instead of keeping your money idle in the bank without generating any interest for you. So what are the important things to know in this particular investment? You need to know that yield can change at any time based on the market condition. At the same time, interest is reflected in your net book values, in your net asset value, which is you see your interest. At the same time, you know fixed return is guaranteed because of the element of volatility in the interest rates. This is being determined by CBN, that is through the NPR, which have the effect on the rate of investment, fixed income investment. So these are avenue. I just feel that I should let open that this particular investment, but you want high risk investment, you can do equity, and they invest in equity investment. Equity, if they don't do it, if you don't do your due diligence very well, it can wipe your money. That's why if you want to invest in an equity fund, you must have that risk tolerance, that your capital might grow down, but the interest rate is very, very high. They can yield as much as 40%, 35% for 1 year. But when you talk of Stanbic IBTC money market fund, they are just investment that are meant for beginner, and then it's preserve your capital. The beauty of it, your capital is being saved, and what it can change is your interest element because of the volatility of the interest element. So it's a very good investment that I feel I should be able to expand, open your eyes onto this kind of investment. Instead of putting your money idle without working for you, you can keep it in the Stanbic IBTC mutual fund. I will put the description on how to register on Stanbic IBTC on the description of this video. If peradventure you want to have a platform for you to be able to register on that particular platform and do any kind of investment, mutual fund investment, you can look at Cowrywise. If you register appropriately on Cowrywise you can do any mutual fund. At the same time, you can do, on Cowrywise, you can do investment in stocks directly by yourself. So it's a very good one. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, what I would just want you to do for me is to like this video. When you like the video, you are helping our channel. But at the same time, when you like this video, I want you to subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification so that whenever we are giving out a valuable video like this, YouTube will be able to notify you that we have dropped a very good video that you can be able to watch and learn one or two things. So thank you for watching this video to the end and for subscribe and like my video. Thank you. God bless you.